Did you know that you can make baked oatmeal in your air fryer? These peanut butter and jelly air fryer baked oats are sweet, creamy, and satisfying. It's a one-bowl recipe for one that's absolutely addictive. Let's do it! Add your rolled oats to a mixing bowl along with flax meal, salt, and baking powder. Mix up those dry ingredients and then add the non-dairy milk of your choice along with some peanut butter. Add maple syrup and vanilla extract, and then mix again until everything's well combined. Now add plenty of juicy blueberries. You can use fresh or frozen in this recipe. Either way, they bake up to this amazing jammy consistency in the air fryer. Transfer the oats mixture to an oven-safe ramekin and cover it with foil. And air fry for 10 minutes. Then remove the foil and air fry again until the top is golden brown and the blueberries are bubbly. Drizzle melted peanut butter and jelly all over the top. And then you are ready to serve. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make these air fryer baked oats for one. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!